So we're on a job here. Got to run a ditch line down there to the street. It's holding water. I've already started a little bit yesterday. I'll show you guys how I set up my laser here. This is a GRL 4000-80 CHV. So this is a dual sloping laser. And I've already done the math. I know it's about 0.7% grade from where we're at here to where I need to be at the street, but I'm going to show you how this laser works. So, got this here, it's level. I'm going to turn my receiver on here. Now it's connected. Then I set grade. Alright, so there's my grade. I'm gonna walk down here. This is just roughed out for now. I gotta come in here and kind of clean this up. So I want to come out, it's already been knocked out. I want to come out right about here. I want to be down on the bottom, trying to let it flow up the ditch. So that's my spot right there. Then I press this button here, and it's going to check for X. So the laser is actually going to sweep. There, it's found the receiver. And once it says OK X, that means it's set grade. Yep, X OK. So we know it's set grade. There we go. It's just changed over. Now we can go into phone app. This is the app for the laser. So it's searching for the laser. You connect it, and there we go. It gives a 0.92% slope. So from all the way over there to here is a 0.92% slope. So when I get in the excavator, I'll show you how I do that, because we're going to be digging under these power lines, and we're going to be coming in from the side to dig. And increase the rotation speed. Everything else looks good. So we'll get the receiver. I don't need this anymore because grade's already set. I'll walk back up there and show you the grade. Back here at the laser, you can see it's set up at 0.92% grade. So it's slow rotating, so I'm going to actually increase it to 600. There you go. It works better on the receiver on the excavator the faster it spins. So we'll get in that and show you how that works. This is the Bobcat depth check system. I got my laser receiver here. It's tied into the harness here. Just unplug it and plug it back in. Got a sensor here, sensor up on the arm, and the sensor up here. So that tells how far down you're digging. So I'll jump in there and show you the display and how this is set up. There is settings in here to where you got to measure from the center of the laser to the center of your main pin, and you set that distance inside. Then I can set, I need to go over there and check my grade rod. I need to check my distance on my grade rod, and that'll be my target depth. So this is still set to where we set down there for the slope. So we're at 5'9 3/4. So I'll put that in the machine for my. I'll put 5'9 3/4 in the machine for target depth. Then I'll show you how that works. Alright, so now we got this fired up here. We go into attachments, depth check. We will turn the laser on, enable laser. Already have this set up. That's 47.5 is from the center of the laser down to the center of the main pin. So we'll turn our laser on, we'll set our target. That we'll add a target. This is in inches, so 5 foot is 60 inches plus 9 3/4, so 69.75. So that we added our target to our list, and we'll select our target. So now, I mean, we haven't referenced the laser yet, but we got to rebench it. So once I get over there and get set up, I'll show you how the bench rebenching from the laser works. And I got to make sure this is our bucket set right. This is my 48 tilt. You can go in here and change our attachments too. I got both my buckets, the 24-inch Bobcat bucket, 36-inch Rhinox bucket, and 48-inch this tilt bucket. And I also have my ripper set in here too. So just make sure everything's set here, looks good, and I'll show you how it works when we rebench. So here we are set up. We got the gravel pile moved, dumps moved, dirt moved. So we're ready to start digging. So I've got, you can see the receiver right here. So I'll take the receiver down until I get a solid green bar in the middle. This is telling me I'm good to go. If I swing my arm out, so I think it's plus or minus 5 degrees, and I try to rebench, it won't let me because it's stuck. So I got to swing it back in where the arm is plus or minus 5 degrees. Then I can rebench. So there, I just rebenched. So it tells me from my bucket edge to where I need to go is actually I need to go down 37 inches. So yeah, I put the bucket on the ground. So let's put back this top up. So right there, I'm actually 4 inches. I need to go down an additional 4 inches to hit grade. So if I come over here, you know, I'm already at right there. So I'm going to pull this stuff back here, and with the tilting bucket, I can tilt it to hit that like 1 degree slope, which is it's basically nothing. So I'll dig a little bit here. I'll set you guys up on the pillar, and I'll show you how I do this. Well, I just spent the past, I don't know, hour, 45 minutes talking to the camera that was dead, or that was off. Apparently I turned the screen on but didn't press the record button. So we are we're done here. We got some this out of the way. We dug all through here, hit everything to grade. I'll show you how I was hitting grade here. So I curl the bucket up, wait for my laser to pick up. I got a green bar, hit rebench on the joystick, and come in here. My attachments, the bucket set up for the center pin, so that's my thing in here. I just come in here and kind of split this out. Nope, the bucket's twisted back. Like this. I would smooth it out and check my grade. Make sure it's good. I just went the know, it's just, the camera wasn't even on. So, well, try to set up on the next time. At least you guys got to see how the systems were set up, kind of how things work. I'm actually going to go through here, scrape all this stuff back into kind of a pile. Picking up some picking up quite a bit of metal pieces out here, old pitchfork, rebar, stuff like that. Thought I found a sword. Yeah, the cross thing there, putting time for the hole. Talking the entire time I was talking. I was telling you yesterday, I was here and they got a 20-yard dumpster for construction debris and trees and stuff like that. Back there on that back side of the house where my laser's set up, I am picking up about 20-yard dumpster, probably 15, 16 yards of worth of tree stumps. And the guy that was here before me that took down the trees was actually supposed to burn the stumps down pretty far, but quite far enough where I didn't report my set my grade. Come back in here with the tractor. So, but anyway, all that stuff was stumps back there. I'm taking all that up, regrading all this whole ditch line out to there. It's about well, the laser's set up at 0.92% slope, so it's got a fairly decent slope, basically a plummet slope. It's a little, I think it's a little over 60 inch per foot. So, really don't have to worry about being too precise with it. Just, just establish the grade, and as the water flows through here and picks sediment up, it'll deposit in the low spots, and it'll kind of self-level this ditch out. And they just gotta, get this thing mucked out every so often. But there it is. I left that up there because they're gonna redo the fence and give it kind of a flat area for the fence to sit. I did the same thing on the other side, just left a flat area. So there's that. I really wish that would have recorded, so I'll try again on the next one. That's it for now. I'll pick back up before I leave. Actually, you know what? I'll throw my other bucket on. I've got to pick up this debris pile and throw it in the dumpster, then I'll pick it back up when I switch buckets. wouldn't call it finished grading, but pretty close. The company's coming after me and do final prep, and they're gonna final prep everything, probably run a hourly rate through it, and spray some seed on. I just get to do the basically rough grading and get everything really ready for final. Cow patty there. Pretty dry out here right now. Supposed to get some rain later today, but not gonna be much. People are calling for us to get like half inch or something, which is not a lot, but ain't nothing like this now. Our typical rainfall here is about 40 inches or something. No busy road, but it is. It's all done. Just felt a raindrop, so got it done just in time. Should be a nice swell there to get everything to drain out. But again, I'm not doing the finish work here. It's just rough grading. So he's got a guy that does the seeding and all that stuff.